Have you ever looked at a beet in a grocery store and thought, I just don't want to go through the trouble. I don't even know what I'm doing. Well, I'm here to make things a little easier for you. And just so you know, roasted beets don't really need anything. They're so good on their own. So real quickly, this is what I do. I'm going to put some beets in aluminum foil, add a touch of whatever cheap oil you've got around, throw some salt in. I don't really know if it actually seasons it, but I feel like it does. And when we make a little pocket in the foil, I feel like that salt just kind of starts to being soaked up a little bit by the beet. Throw this into a 400 to 425 degree oven, and it takes 1 hour for these big ones. If you only find little baby beets, don't go more than about half an hour for those. But this is what the beets look like after they're cooked. They become beautifully moist and they're just so creamy and delicious. Now, they still have their peel on, which is really essential to cook a perfect beet. What you do is you take either a towel or a paper towel like this one. You don't have to cut off the skin. You peel off the skin, just rubbing it gently with this paper towel. So check this out. So let's cut these down. As you can see, they're just incredibly creamy, so beautifully cooked. Put them on a plate. Now, I don't know how I got so lucky, but my son absolutely adores beets. So I'm adding just some really good extra virgin olive oil. This one's a little bit spicy, made with Arbequina olives. The tiniest bit of balsamic. The beets are so incredibly sweet that I feel like I just needed a little tiny splash of vinegar on them. And then, rather than kosher salt, I go ahead and grab some Maldon crunchy salt right over the top. And there you have it, absolute perfection in a roasted beet.